#health. Hello, my name is Keltie O'Connor and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, what you can typically find is me being, let's call it, guinea pig of fitness. So I usually try different diets, fitness trends, sports, workouts, to show you guys what you can expect the first time you trying it. A question that you guys have asked a lot is, what do I eat when I'm not doing one of these crazy challenges? Because no, I am not a chronic dieter. I'm not constantly doing celebrity diets. I do eat in an enjoyable and healthy way. Stay tuned to the end of the video. I will recap my calories, meal timing, just thoughts behind my diet. We're just gonna jump in right now and show you what it is I eat in a day. Cute. I'm one of those people that starts my morning every morning off with water. It is such a game changer though. It's like the littlest health thing you can do to improve your life. I do fill up my entire Swell bottle and I make it my mission before I leave the house to have it done. This is my bougie thing I do in the morning, is I put it in a wine glass. Oh god, I'm spilling out myself. So when I drink it out of a fancy wine glass in the morning, I just feel like I'm a woman taking on the world. Look at me go. Green tea. Big coffee drinker here. I'm not making fun of all the healthy YouTubers. I love them. I watch all their videos, but they start every morning with tea. And they're so relaxed and zen. So about the zen tea, I'm someone who likes a lot of caffeine, but I've drastically reduced my caffeine intake big. And how I've been able to curb that is by just swapping this with 1 to 2 bags of green tea in the morning. So I still get that warm feeling of coffee. Now I'm one of those people that drinks green tea in the morning. YouTube, did you do this to me, YouTube? I'm still gonna have coffee later on though. Let's be real. I took sciences in university and I still don't understand how the second you look away from a microwave, your oatmeal explodes. Flavor team, we got some cocoa, we got some other cocoa, and we got the real cocoa. Canadian. Woo! Boom! Little extra health. Here is breakfast, a big bowl of fruit. This is my favorite fruit personally. And then I just got a delicious oatmeal bowl. I got some sliced almonds, some the cocoa nibs. We got some shredded coconut, got some chia seeds, some of these goji berries, hemp seeds. I'm a big fan of Brazil nuts. I've heard they're really healthy. I love them. All sorts of healthy fats, some good micronutrients. And yeah, I feel this is a solid, easy breakfast. Having lunch with this girl.
6 a.m. What?
So cute.
So bad.
You've been cuter.
Oh my god. The greasy? I watched it though.
Yeah. A little grease. So I got the hero bowl. Some chicken, some Brussels sprouts, hemp seeds, pesto, beets, broccoli, there's some yam.
What's the price?
I try to have. I knew that girl.
This is my favorite flavor. What about you guys? Comment below. There's nothing riskier than opening kombucha though. I'm constantly scared of the fizz. #health. First try! I have many skills in life, but there's one. So right now I'm making roots bowl, I'm gonna call it. It's like root veggies, filet mignon, cut of steak. I'm gonna put it over a bed of spinach and like greens. And then I'm gonna make this like maple Dijon-esque sauce to drizzle over. Here that is what I will be having for supper. Personally, something I've talked about in the past, I do try and eat seasonally, so that's why seasonally. That's why I like to have squashes and yams, potatoes, carrots, beets, onions, like very root vegetables because they're in season right now. Feeling like a steak would go well with that sauce over top. And I feel it's a very nutrient dense food. And I do apologize to all my vegans there. I do try and eat plant-based. Be conscious of my meat consumption. Enjoy that in this snowstorm. Oh my God.
I'm probably gonna do a video of you being that person.
That person.
Failed. Cheers. So there was kind of a typical day in the life of what I would eat. I do feel I have a balance of I like to make my food at home, but I do eat out as well. Why I eat what I eat. Weight loss, weight gain, maintenance, whatever you are at is calories in versus calories out. Now, I'm not trying to lose weight or anything like that, so I just try to eat in a mindful way of how many calories I burn. So really get in tune with my hunger hormones. Now, if you guys have been following me along, I am doing intermittent fasting. I've been doing it for a full month, and I will have that recap video for you guys. So hit subscribe if you want to see what I thought my first month of doing intermittent fasting. I kind of naturally eat that way, just 2 to 3 big meals a day, snacks in between, but I typically don't eat right when I get up. And so that's why I'm doing intermittent fasting, but I'm doing it in a very structured way. So not just being like, oh yeah, I fasted for 16 hours. That was cool. Now, in terms of calories, I don't actually know how many calories I burn in a day. If I had to guess, I'm gonna guess between like 2,000 to 3,200. That's also something I want to say. I eat a lot, and that's because I'm very active. I walk everywhere. I do sports for fun. I obviously have this channel. I'm constantly doing workouts. I'm doing different things, so I have a very high energy expenditure, and that's not healthy for everyone. I've been doing that my whole life, so that's not something you can just go 0 to 100. You really have to build your way up. It's about eating the calories for you. Anyone's full day vegan you watch, make sure you understand that everyone's lifestyle is different, so eating how they eat isn't necessarily going to make you look how they look. You might eat too little, you might eat too much. So I do have a good idea of portion sizes and just the idea of calories and macros in a day, but I don't use any app. There's MyFitnessPal. I'm not really a fan of because I find that you can become too obsessive. It's just too number focused. I do like LifeSum if you guys want to track. It's just a prettier app, and it's more about overall nutrition, not just numbers, because I think you can become so obsessive, and that's not a healthy way to look at nutrition in my personal opinion. You should be conscious of portion sizes. Know you need some carbs, fat, proteins, fiber in your diet. You shouldn't be so rigid about it, in my personal opinion. Term would be mindful eating, intuitive eating. That's something I think everyone should do, is just be more conscious of your hunger. And so sometimes that's why fasting's good. You don't need to eat, and it's a healthy thing. Not starving, fasting. There's a different thing. Restriction and fasting are different. When you're hungry, acknowledge that and eat wholesome foods, and that's a big thing. Wholesome, nutrient-dense, in-season foods. So that means changing your food up throughout the year, eating different kinds of veggies, eating different fruits, different kinds of proteins, sources, whether it be plant-based or animal, depending on your ethical beliefs and thoughts there, and then different types of grains and lots of healthy fats. And I think as long as you're mixing that up and experimenting, it makes nutrition really fun. You're getting all the nutrients you need, and you will reduce cravings. Bad food won't be as tempting to you because you're actually fueling your body. You'll have better energy, you'll improve your skin. And so that's kind of my thought, is I love eating healthy, how it makes me feel, how it improves my skin, my energy. But I'm a big believer in soul food. There's food for your body and to fuel you, and there's food for your soul. And there's these magical moments in your life where you're with friends and family, and you make appies, and then you make a dinner, and you have a glass of wine, and you prepare, and you sit around the dinner table, and you eat, and you feel so full and satisfied after, because it's love. And that's where I think food, you have a great dinner with your boyfriend or girlfriend, you sit across and you have these great memories, and you try new things. And I'm so passionate about that, trying new things and just enjoying that social connection. It doesn't always mean nutrient dense food. Sometimes that means the pasta with extra cheese, or the ice cream after, or you get the chocolate cake. You should enjoy life, but I think when you actually fully enjoy those moments and don't feel guilt, then you just kind of, you are there and you don't kill yourself, and then you don't go on this yo-yo diet, and you don't punish yourself because you went and enjoyed a great meal and you think you have to restrict after. You enjoyed it, so you feel full and happy, and so it makes you want to have the fruits and veggies and the healthy proteins and all that. Now, if you noticed, I did, yes, have a beer. I do drink. I would never want a life that I can't go and enjoy time with friends. And I'm not gonna lie, I really enjoy going out on town with my girlfriend. And no, I don't do it every night. I'm going out. Including the winter, I don't drink that much. Just very grind mode. But come summertime, you'll see Keltie on the patios with a beer in Toronto very often. So I don't have any cheat foods. I don't have any demonized foods. I just have foods that are very nutrient dense. I include a lot. And then the foods that I know are not nutrient dense, but they are going to fuel my soul. That is personally my thought on nutrition. So I'd love to hear your guys' thoughts, dieting, nutrition, what I ate. So I have a new game to decide which videos I'm doing next. So Tuesday, stay tuned. We got a new reveal of how I will be picking all future videos. It is in your guys' hands. So thank you for tuning in. Like always, have a great day. Fuel your soul, fuel your body, and go pet a dog or something.